So this is an example of rudimentary basic milling in the lathe. You have no real control over the vertical adjustment at all, but these are milling cutters that are fit this lathe perfectly, and you have to be careful not to catch the hot. And the problem with them is that they're just a wee bit high. In other words, they have these insert cutters. You can buy these commercially, they're quite expensive, or you can go to the Variety Mart when the right crowd are there, and you can get them not cheap, but a lot cheaper than you will buy them commercially. So the problem is it was a bit high. In other words, it wasn't on the dead centre of the work. It either has to be perfectly central or a slight touch below, but it can't be above it. If it's above it, you see, it's not cutting right. It has to be exactly in the centre, in line with the spindle. Now, these are ideal size. So now, because I milled that off, I should have a right size. Now, the milling cutter is another Variety Mart job. Off the bios there, the hackers there selling stuff or whatever you wish to call them. They do a good service. This is a tungsten carbide milling cutter, probably out of a milling machine, but just held in the 3-jaw chuck. So that's it there. Now it's tungsten carbide, so you'll get great service. You will not cut the steel that's in these with high-speed steel. You really won't. Now I have to knock the burrs off that. So I tested by putting a pointed tap in the chuck, and that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, and that should do. So that's a very, very useful piece of equipment. So that's another useful project. I've just fitted it there. It's grand. There's the marking on it there. Very common and ideal. These little cutters, they last a long time, but they will blunt over time, and you just turn them around, you get another while out of them. And so that's it's a Torx screw. That's it there. You screw that off and take it off and refit your new one, having cleaned it out well. Okay folks, that's it. Another little bit of work. God helps those who help themselves. We'll see you back. Thank you very much.